Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to direct deposit on PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PayPal application. Of course you can do as I did, go to the web and click on paypal.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, after that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal, of course if you haven't already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, we have the home, send, wallet, activity and help options. You have also the send and request and a lot of different options there. But now guys, let's see how we can actually go and do direct deposit on PayPal. So log into your PayPal account and select settings. Then click set up or view direct deposit. You'll be given your PayPal assigned account and PayPal routing number. Give these details to your employer, government agency, or payroll provider to set up direct deposit payments. Alternatively, guys, you can give the pre-printed form that comes with your PayPal debit card to your payer, and that's how you can actually go and do it alternatively. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.